Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is DJ Cat, and today we have kind of not a serious but a reminder video about what to do in these type of moments. Now, before we go ahead with my non-financial advice and etc., I just want to say what's going on in the news is obviously what is making this whole market bloody and red. But nonetheless, these are actual people with lives are losing their lives, their homes. So I just want to say my thoughts and prayers are going for those people in Ukraine. And I just hope, everyone stays safe. This gets resolved as soon as possible. Aside from this, aside from politics, this is not what we're talking about. We're talking about the effect of politics, the effect of fear that is relied on crypto as well. Interestingly enough, even though this is all decentralized, shouldn't be really related to this, but it is. Especially Bitcoin. If you look at Bitcoin, it is almost treated as a tech stock, nowadays, because it's so tied up with sentiments. But remember, guys, sentiments, they're temporary. Literally, it's just a shock, and I was correct, because if we go in the past day, Bitcoin has actually crashed. Let's do 7 days right here. But if we go in the past 7 days, you can see this is where, when Putin went ahead with the invasion, everything went down. Bitcoin went all the way down to 34k and immediately bounced, along with other stocks and other cryptos. And this is kind of a hint, sometimes, yes, it takes longer, sometimes it takes way longer. It could take 2 months for something to recover, but at the end of the day, it has always recovered. There's always a recovery, and this is why sentiments are temporary, and actually the greatest of winners are the people who are taking advantage of these, the people who can get rich from these, like if you look at the lowest price of Bitcoin in the past 7 days, it's 34,000. That's almost a 3x, literally from 100k. Now obviously this is Bitcoin, we're not here for a 3x, but my point is, how do you actually make money in times like these? What if it's going to take 2 months for Bitcoin to recover to where it was? And this is what my point of this video. This is why I want to get you guys into DeFi. DeFi is deflationary finance. It's basically, a whole category of crypto. Is huge. There's a lot of it, and I believe it is the future because people are making money by this. People are quitting their jobs. Especially for me, I'm all in DeFi. I used to hold Bitcoin, but let's look at the past 3 months of Bitcoin. If you held Bitcoin the past 3 months, you would have not made money, but in fact lost money that you've had. Not hating on Bitcoin, of course. I'm super bullish. Like, I actually feel like Bitcoin will reach in the millions, but it will take some time. It will take some time. But if you compare this, for example, to a project that I wanted to talk about today, which is in DeFi, project called DRIP. It's a DRIP Faucet. It's basically staking protocol where you put in your money, it gets locked, and it makes you 1% a day. It's super low risk. It's one of the best, if not the best, staking protocols out there in DeFi, because you want to go for the ones that are sustainable, that has a good track record. Let me show you guys the receipt. So here's the chart of DRIP in the past how many months. It's been going on for, I believe, just under a year. It's coming up to, I believe it's around 10 months. So in the past year, it has been going from $22 in around November, and it's been bullish ever since. If you go through, you guys can see it has gone up all the way to $170. Yes, right now it's having a nice normal correction, but it is way up from how much it was, $21. Now I personally got in around $50, and ever since, it has been amazing. It's been making you 1% back, which obviously you have the option to either take that 1%, reinvest it back in, so the next day's 1% is going to be bigger. Now this is called compounding, and this is actually exponential, because if you kept compounding for months and months, you're going to be returning way bigger 1% per day, and where it could actually pay more than your 9-to-5 job. Now, if you go to the website of DRIP, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to get into this. I want you guys to do your own research. I want to tell you about DRIP, but I think I'm going to make this for a separate video. DRIP is amazing. It has a good track record. I'm going to leave the link of everything I'm speaking about. I'm going to also leave the link of their Telegram group. It has thousands and thousands of people. You can ask questions. It's a lovely community. I'm going to show you guys real quick. If you go in drip drip.community. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and I'm gonna leave a video in the top left on how it's a step-by-step on how to join it and start making your 1% daily. So DRIP is a token that is on the Binance Smart Chain. Obviously, that's where the protocol stands and works. I believe the Binance Smart Chain is the best place for, you know, staking protocol to be. Low transactions, quick transactions as well, and also, you know, the whole advantage of smart contracts, which allows these protocols to even exist. So you better take advantage of it once it's here, because people are very bullish. If you go and look at any other DRIP video, everyone's very bullish on DRIP. They're saying the price of DRIP can literally, they're expecting it to reach $1,000 by the end of this year. Matter of fact, from $1,000 to $5,000. It's crazy. The market cap of, as you guys can see right here, the market cap of DRIP is 94 million. That is nothing. There's room for that 10x. There's room for that 20x, which means your 1%, if DRIP price has 10x, that means your 1% is now in 10x of value. If you invest $1,000, you'll be making $10 off the bat, right? And if it 10x, you'll be making $100 off the bat, just like that, from not doing anything. Now, obviously, you can be compounding. In the meantime, it reaches that $1,000, which will actually return way higher yields. But I'm just letting you guys know about this. To join DRIP, you basically just need to buy the token in BNB, as you guys can see right here. You buy it, you put in however BNB you need to buy. You need 1 DRIP minimum, which is basically $95. And then once you buy your DRIP, you go in the faucet right here and you scroll down, and then you need to get a buddy address. This is basically says who referred you to DRIP. I have a buddy address. He's a close friend of mine. You guys can use the buddy address. I'm gonna leave it in the description so you can paste it here. If you want to support me as a channel, as a small channel, small creator, to do more content. I want to only make high quality content and more crypto videos that is educational. Whether if you're new to crypto, you're an experienced crypto, you know what I mean. I'm not saying that I'm the best experienced crypto out there, but I'm saying making videos like these actually pushes me to learn more, to make more educational videos. So if you do support it, you know, subscribe for more videos like this. Like this video, let me know in the comments, and you can use my buddy address. You can paste it right in, which will allow you to get into the DRIP Faucet. And then once you do that, just put in your max amount of DRIPs right here, click deposit, and simple as that, you are making your 1% a day on DRIP, which is amazing. It has been paying me even in the bloodiest of markets. I've been making my 1%. And once you use the buddy address link in the description, you will be joining my team. As you guys can see here, I have 21 people, which will also give you access to the Telegram group. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. The Telegram group, it's called the Farmers Community. It's an amazing place. We meet all different people from around the world. We always just want to talk about crypto and about how to make money. You can talk about DRIP. Any of your questions, you can either send it over in that Telegram group chat, or you can send it to me directly on my Telegram at Coolide. I'm gonna leave that in description as well. But guys, remember, in moments like these, when people fear, you only want to buy the fear. Like that's the best time, to be honest. You know what I mean? With a lot of FUD going on, it's all temporary sentiments. Everyone who sold are gonna FOMO back in when the price gets better. Why? That's just the way it goes. People like to buy when more people are talking about it, when they see the price already high, which it does not make sense. That's why millionaires are the minority of this world. Simple as that. Which mindset do you have? Let me know in the description. I want to know all your strategies. This is just my non-financial advice. Guys, this has been a simple video that I wanted to make. You want to join in DeFi. You want to make your passive income. Even when the markets get bloody, you still want to be making money. You don't want to wait another 3 months for something to recover to start making money. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is still in the red after 3 months. You know what I mean? If you bought Bitcoin at December time, you have not made a penny. You have not made a penny since then. But let's just say you put in money at the start of this year. I'm going to quickly pull out a calculator. Right? Today is February 26th. If you basically put in money in DRIP in the faucet, let's say you put in $1,000, that's $10 a day, right? You're gonna put $10 times how many days has it been? It's been February, so let's just say around just under 2 months. So we're just gonna put 55 days. You would have made $550. Simple as that. You know what I mean? Obviously, this is disregarding the taxes that's going on, but this is just to keep it simplified. You would have made money compared to losing your money right here. But I'm gonna leave the rest up to you guys. Let me know, what do you think of DRIP? Do you want to see more videos of DRIP? I'm gonna leave a video on the top left about DRIP. You watch it, learn more about DRIP. It's amazing. DeFi is a crazy world. It's gonna change people's lives, and I believe that we are only just beginning. Crypto is becoming bigger, and it's becoming part of people's lives, part of people's paychecks, and I feel like you guys should not waste this opportunity, because there's going to be more and more people. You don't want to be at the end of the line. Matter of fact, you want to be in the first of the line. Aside from that, guys, I'm going to leave that there. My name is DJ Khaled. Stay tuned for my next videos. I'll be uploading more frequently now. If you want to support this channel, give it a like, subscribe. You can buy me coffee. You can use the buddy link. It's my wallet address. You can buy me coffee and support the channel. Other than that, hope you guys have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.